Stop. Take a moment. Sit the fuck down wherever you are. If you're walking, sit on a bench. If you're driving, just pull over. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your eyes to gently close. Nothing bad can happen if you close your eyes and breathe just for 5 minutes. Take just 5 minutes for yourself, no? When was the last time you said to the world, fuck off, this moment is for me and for me only? Now it's that time again. Or, now it's that time for the first time in your life. Don't judge, I know what that voice in your head tells you. Don't try not to think either, it won't happen. That voice almost never stops. So, for the next few moments, allow my voice to be your voice. Yes. I like you, you know. If you're still listening this, it probably means that you needed this break. And if it's not your first time here, oh well, then I like you even more. Why? Because you are worth of liking. You are worth of loving. So just sit back and listen. Listen to my voice. Listen to the sounds of this recording. Listen to the sounds outside of this recording, to the sounds around you. These are the sounds of life happening. Life happening before you were born. Life happening after you're gone. Life happening as you are alive, not because you are alive. Life is not happening to you, it just happens while you're here. You don't have to carry the burden of this world on your shoulders. You don't have to carry the burden of your family on your shoulders. Hell, you don't even have to carry the burden of your own life on your shoulders. Life will happen whether you want it or not. Life will happen whether you go with it, resist it, try to fix it, or accept it. Life is, and you are. This may be the truth, or maybe a truth. But notice how you feel as you hear these words. As your breathing becomes softer. Have your shoulders relaxed? Has that space between your eyebrows and your face released that tension with every breath you let go? Yes, that's it. That's all you have to do. Take a moment. Sit down and breathe. Just breathe. Breathe and notice. Breathe and notice. Now draw these edges of your lips towards your ears, you beautiful bastard. That's called a smile. and go back out there and be awesome.